2D array, when you loop through with for each loop, you cannot modify the 2D array. Quiz on arrays, few questions. Very easy, leh. If you don't get this, you are failure. So set size immutable. What that means? It means set size is immutable, you stupid. Messi. Stupid. Okay, so you can't change the size of an array. You can store primitive values or an object.
Not really?
You can use for each, obviously. Are objects, right? Obviously. Okay, this is easy. This is just how indexes work. This is just how like indexes and arrays work.
I mean, he did say it was easy, so.
Yeah. Okay, now we go to the 2D array. A 2D array is basically a two-dimensional array. It's like a grid. For example, this index. So for example, to get 11, we will have to get index 0, 1 or 1, 0, 1 automatically. To make a 1D array, we do the following. To make a 2D array, we put 2 square brackets followed by the rows and column. Remember, rows are first. Rows are first because rows is a shorter word than the column. Shorter come first. Okay? So to make a 2D array, this is the syntax. Int 2D array number is a new 2D array with a 5-row 4-column.
Is Grayson on?
I sound like my Chinese teacher.
Is he a starter?
Okay, so this how it works, beta. If you know how the Java work, you know that this is the main class. You know that this 2D array, 2 row, 3 column, and to access, you do this way. To set, you also do this way. So here what we do is, they're all void. Now number at 0, 0, the first cell we set to this. Same for 0, 1, 0, 2.
So that's just like the index.
Yes.
Thing.
So what's the difference between the row and column?
You stupid.
Column, what's the
Column is vertical. You know how you remember that? Because when you row the boat, are you rowing like this or are you rowing like this? When you row the boat, the rows are horizontal.
Oh, shit, I'm like...
Hey, a smart boy.
Except hold on.
Is it from you? No, it's from them.
The feature set is like
That's further.
You don't see them being like.
What?
Huh?
Huh?
Shut up.
What?
Okay. So he's saying that technically the row labels are a column, which is facts.
Okay. Well,
So now we go to the
that's
code.
not the point of that.
Very easy. 2D arrays is simply an array of arrays. Look, the row points to which array it is. Each column is a normal index value, but each row is a different array. Boom shakalaka, somebody call the doctor, because I just blew up you guys' brains. I too good. Okay.
What?
It's referencing row 5 when there's not a row 5.
What even is this?
Oh wait, never mind.
It's creating.
Never mind.
Remember, indexes go from start at 0.
Array 1, but it's
Now-
authorized.
Creating a default array, too easy then.
The,
But what about 2D array? We do this.
these we have.
If it in this thing, then that's 1 row, 2nd row, 3rd row, 4th row, 5th row. Too easy then. I giga chats. Next on, we move to the alpha male code. Remember, if you're not a sigma, you can always go to the backup option of being an alpha male with a 2D array if you don't know how to use 2D array lists. We get into that later.
125.
By the way, this is as easy as using a rice cooker. If you cannot use rice cooker, you are true failure. Alright. That's easy. You guys don't understand nothing? We create the default array. Look, this is the same as right here, next to each other. And then we loop through it. And basically what we do is just printing it out. The output is this.
Oh yeah, everything's blocked.
Why are we using 2 for loops? Because we not only need to print it 2D, but also, no, not only 1D, but also 2D.
You can't do them.
Row major order using arrays.toStrings. This is a simple method. When you do arrays.toString matrix row, matrix is the name Rho is the variable name here. What that mean? That means for every index in the for loop, you pass through every index in the matrix. The matrix being the matrix of the 2D array. Boom shakalaka, mind exploded. The output is this. It's basically a raise.2 string, but for 2D array. Row major order. What that means, I have no idea. Column major order, starting at the top left corner and go across each column in the outside loop and down each row in the inside loop. Reverse row major, right to left, starting at the stupid failure. All this just memorize this shit. Just memorize this shit.
Friendly.
And boom, 2D array easy, too easy. We done with 2D array. Catch me next time on the Nehao Stupid Chakra Verdi channel. For more updates, go to Apex and realize how scrawny you are.